Now then, I've been looking at people, trying best to survive. And lately all I've been seeing are people throwing love away and losing their minds. Maybe it's me who's gone crazy, but I can't understand why. All these lovers keep hurting each other when good love is so hard to come by. So what's the glory in leaving? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? And I see love-hungry people trying their best to survive, when right there in their hands is a dying romance, and they're not even trying to keep it alive. So what's the glory in leaving? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? So what's the glory in leaving? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for?
Maybe this time, para parehas na Michael Murphy. Once again, from Michael Murphy. Murphy Michael.
May ka 6,000 nga kinantamid ito yung amin dahil.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, and talk about the places they have been. Two old sweethearts that fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more that reminiscing. Maybe this time you'll be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling that
It's the one that I had back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before.
they got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time you'll be loving their fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time you will be loving divine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end.
And here's another request. Kung ano dito ay naman ang Kofel. Ating June, pwede ba yung song na You're Always On My Mind by The Gallery? Gusto ko sanang ialay sa buong FDD family. Lalo na kay Venus, Annabelle at sa mga apo natin. JN Johnny, JV, Jody, and Janica Dolores. Oh, dahil ito yung aro. Request mo, mana.
You're always on my mind. No matter what the future holds, I know you're there for me. Time is always on my side. And whether it be right or wrong, I know it's got to be. I try to be the kind of man you proudly call your own. Treated you as nice as I know how. Get you anything you want, anything at all. The greatest gift there is just too small. Honey, I've got you. What more do I need? My life is complete and satisfied. Honey, you're my bride. I try to be the kind of man you proudly call your own. Treated you as nice as I know how. Get you anything you want, anything at all. The greatest gift there is just too small. Honey, I've got you. What more do I need? My life is complete and satisfied. You're always on my mind. My life's complete and satisfied. You're always on my mind.
Now, another twist na. Ladies and gentlemen, nalpas na tayo ni W. Brown. Sa bali bayabo nga dimension ti poses ni John Martin kay mga kan with the space. Kitaan taman.
Nasa ulap ba ang iyong mga mata? Mukhang malayo ang iyong Subok na ang aking pag-ibig, ikaw lamang sa buong daigdig. Tumitibok na puso ko'y dinggin, sumama ka na sa'kin. Ako si Mr. Suave, grabe, habulin ng babae, araw man o gabi. Ako si Mr. Suave, grabe, hayop kong dumiskarte, wala silang masabi. Kaya't huwag ka nang malungkot, problema ibang sa limot, pagkat nandito lang ako, umiibig sa'yo. Hoy, 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 kung kailangan na ika'y paligayahin, huwag mag-alinlangan na ika'y lumapit sa akin. Hatid sa atin ng swabe kong bigote, ang smooth na kilte. Pagkat ako si Mr. Suave, ng babae, araw man o gabi. Oo, ako si Mr. Suave, grabe, hayop kong dumiskarte, grabe sa sabi. Hoy, 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 hoy. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Sabi dito, good afternoon sa inyo dyan sa Sweet Radio. Lalo na sa inyo ni June at John Mark. John Mark ba? John ba?
Mark John ba?
Okay, John Mark. Saan pwede makabili ng CD ninyo? Imbag lang ay patugtog mi, J. Lugan. No adda papanan mi. Ngumno papananda. Dapat patugtog. Mabaling kayo gumatang sa iTunes, when no Spotify, mabaling kayo dungog di jay. And of course, kaniti amin na po nga e-music stores sa